For decades, astronauts have relied on bulky spacesuits to survive the vacuum of space. But what if we didn't need them? What if the human body could withstand the extreme conditions of space on its own? Would we become the ultimate space explorers, or would life in space bring unexpected challenges? Let's find out. Right now, stepping into space without a suit means certain death. But why? Without a suit, we'd lose consciousness in about 15 seconds. After that, our bodies would swell as gases expanded in our blood, and within minutes, we'd suffocate or freeze. So, how could we change our biology to survive this environment? To live in space without a suit, humans would need some major upgrades. Let's start with oxygen. One solution? Evolving to store oxygen in our muscles, like whales, who can dive for hours without breathing. Another problem is radiation. Some animals, like tardigrades, survive space by repairing their DNA instantly. If humans had this ability, we could resist deadly cosmic rays. Space is freezing cold in the shadows and scorching hot in the sun. We'd need a way to regulate temperature, maybe with built-in insulation, like polar bears. And let's talk about sight. With no atmosphere, light behaves differently. Our eyes might need to evolve to see infrared and ultraviolet light. With no gravity, we'd also need stronger muscles and bones. Otherwise, we'd slowly weaken over generations. If we evolved for space, what would daily life look like? We might need less food using direct energy absorption, like plants with photosynthesis. If we could survive the vacuum, would we even need spacecraft? We might become the ultimate cosmic explorers. Realistically, evolution like this would take millions of years, unless we use genetic engineering. With CRISPR and gene editing, could we fast-track our transformation into space-adapted beings? If we could survive space without suits, the universe would truly be ours. But the real question is, would we still be human? What do you think? Could we evolve to live in space without suits, or is this just science fiction? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing questions. Right here on What If?